Have you ever wondered how you could get an AI to write a Shakespearean sonnet or translate a piece of code into Python? Welcome to the world of prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the art of crafting the perfect input to guide an AI model's output. A prompt can be a line of text, a piece of code, or even an image. It serves as a guide for the AI, just like a detailed instruction set would help a friend complete a task. Only in this case, the friend is an AI model. So, if you've ever wanted to unlock the full potential of AI, stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of prompt engineering. Why bother with all this, you might ask? Well, prompt engineering is like unlocking a secret level in a video game. It helps you tap into the full potential of generative AI models. By fine-tuning your prompts, you gain control over the AI's responses. This means you can tailor the outputs to your specific needs, control the tone and style, spark creativity, and even guide the AI towards accurate and responsible outputs. Now, how do you go about this? There are several techniques you can use. Contextual framing involves providing the AI with background information to help it understand the task. You can also use examples and counterexamples to show the AI what you want and what you don't. Emotional cues can be used to influence the AI's tone, and complex tasks can be broken down into smaller steps to improve the AI's reasoning and accuracy. So, what does this look like in action? Imagine you want a poem about a robot falling in love with the moon, written in the style of a Shakespearean sonnet. Or perhaps you want a piece of code translated into Python, ensuring it follows best practices. You could even ask the AI to generate a news article summarizing the impact of climate change on endangered species, citing reliable sources. All of this becomes possible with the power of prompt engineering. As we look to the future, the importance of prompt engineering will only grow. We can expect more sophisticated techniques to emerge, along with tools that integrate prompt engineering with other AI techniques. We'll also see user-friendly interfaces that make prompt engineering accessible to everyone, not just the tech-savvy. In essence, mastering prompt engineering equips you with the power to shape AI's responses. It's a tool that fosters creativity, accuracy, and responsible AI usage across a wide range of fields. So whether you're a seasoned tech professional or a curious beginner, the world of prompt engineering awaits you. Dive in and start sculpting your AI's responses today.